better.
Yeah, he's a little bit hungover still, but I think he's doing alright.
Oh, I miss him.
What are you reading about?
I'm reading your neuroscience book.
Cool.
Hey, you look like really wet.
I get so fucking wet when it rains outside.
Oh my god.
But anyway, I talked to my friend who buys the ecstasy on the street. We can get it like $5 a pill.
Oh my god.
We're gonna be able to do all of our
It's gonna
research.
save
But
our
listen, this is the thing.
lab.
I have to go out tonight. I'm really stressed out. I have to go down to the corner of Main Street and 4th and talk to the dealer tonight.
That's really stressful.
Scary.
Yeah, I think I might go upstairs and just like take a bath or something to relax.
Okay.
But what are you guys up to?
Well, I just got back from the therapist. Actually, I have a phobia of farm animals, which is
You too.
Yeah,
Oh my
just
God.
basically
Phobias
like
are awful.
cows, pigs, chickens, chicken eggs, chicken wire,
Chicken coops, probably.
chicken coops, pitchforks, overalls, hay, bales of hay,
Oh my god.
hay lofts, straw, horses,
I'm so sorry.
horseshoes.
That's one of the worst phobias I've ever heard.
I know.
It's actually really hard.
Oh, it's okay.
sweet.
You know, it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
What about you? What did you do today?
Well, I had my weekly appointment with my doctor. Yeah.
Are you sick or are you
Oh
okay?
no, I just got my Botox today, so it's gonna be a while before I can have facial expressions again.
Oh.
Well, you just have to tell us if
Yeah.
you're sad.
Yeah.
So we know.
Okay, I'm feeling
Oh, we're-
very happy right now.
Good. Great. Okay, good.
Yeah.
So
That's
why don't you get yourself a glass of wine, go upstairs, and just relax.
Yeah.
'Cause you have a big night
I
ahead.
really.
Hey, wait. Before you go, I just have to give you a message. Your dad called, and he
I-
said he had the hardest time getting his car started. He wanted to make sure that yours was starting okay.
Yep.
But he also had the stiffest neck because he slept funny on it last night. He just wanted to let you know.
I'll have to call him back and give him the number of my masseuse. Oh, that sounds so nice right now. Oh my god, somebody already ran me a bath. With bubbles and candles and everything. This is so nice. Wait, what is this? A hair dryer in water? I think that's dangerous. Maybe this is a bath for someone else. I guess I'll go downstairs. Hey, did you guys, were you running a bath upstairs or something?
No. Oh, but you know what? That kid Mike came over. He said that he was gonna leave you a present upstairs because he felt bad for defriending you.
You know, that's really weird because there is a hairdryer plugged in the water. It's almost like that kid's trying to kill me or something.
Well, it's kind of obvious.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, I better go get ready for tonight. It's almost time to go out to the street.
All right.
Hi. Do you have any 3,4-methylene dioxymethamphetamine? What did you just say? Bitch, don't make me ask you again. I just need MDMA. What, are you an undercover cop? Sorry, no, don't kill me! Bitch, that's unforgivable.
Oh my God, Hannah, where are you? We really need you. Stop it. Oh my God, Hannah. Stop it. I'm one of Hannah's best friends, and we just had so many. Oh my God, DH.
Gold teeth and a curse for this town. Rot in my mouth.
So you you weren't like actually born in Alaska, you were born in That's good. So excited.
Okay, we should do that again.
Get in that room right now. Fucking time. Oh shit! Sorry, I didn't want to
Get in that room right now. Fucking time. Okay.
Oh, I almost did it! I almost had it. We got this. Oh my god. That was like a good.
Was that good for you?
I can see how that would totally affect population.
It's right when you die.
It's a book that's helped me through a lot, and I'm sure you guys will find some stuff for
Never should have called. But my head's too wide.
I was waiting for him to for my dad. Did he call? Yeah, actually, your dad.
I was superior to Hannah.
Damn it!
I was superior to Hannah.
Damn it!
I was a year older than her. I was her manager for that.
I don't think she can understand what you're saying.
I know, I get so fucking mad when it rains. Sorry, I'll try to look at these.
Godspeed, all the beggars are done.
Whenever you're ready.
On the good life I might do never find. Without trust, the flames that feel them too dumb to find. I did dance like a queen of the ice, so
She needs
all
to
I as well.
You started. Go ahead.
Was it good for you?
I'm sorry. We can't ask you around ability because oh my god, I should not talk.
So, like Ashley said, my name's Ashley.